Hey guys, I just figured I'd make a video on this since this is probably the most common mod for airsoft pistols, so hopefully this tutorial will help some people out. Now as you probably guessed from the title or thumbnail, today I'm going to show you how to put short stroking buffers in your Army Armament R28 airsoft pistol. Short stroke hits are used to reduce the distance the slide of an airsoft pistol travels, decreasing the time it takes to cycle, but also taking away from the realism and usually the ability for the slide to lock back. This is how I have buffers set up minus the metal buffer in between the two rubber ones, as I found it just damaged the guide rod and really didn't help the performance at all. So to start off, you should already know that you have to make sure that there's no mag in the gun and no round in the chamber. Once that's done, you can separate the upper and the lower by removing the slide stop as I did in the video. Now, if you don't know how to disassemble the gun, I'll refer you to one of my older videos in which I showed the full process for disassembling it as far as I know how to. Once that's done, you can unscrew the two parts of the guide rod. Now, once again, I'll refer you to one of my older videos where I showed step by step the best way to unscrew the guide rod if yours is stuck, just like mine was when I got it from the factory. After that, remove the guide plug recoil spring and other half of the guide rod. Then insert your buffers. I chose to use the two softest ones, and you can experiment with what works better for you, but I figured the softer ones would wear less on the cheap metal that the gun is made from. Although I would always recommend having two metal washers on each end of the buffer combo to protect them and keep them from wearing out. I found that I was able to fit two buffers and two washers in the guide rod while still keeping enough momentum on the slide to return it, keeping it from getting hooked on the hammer. But if you don't have the slide getting hooked on the hammer issue, then you could probably short stroke it all the way to the max. Once that's done, you can reassemble the gun and you should be golden. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully your gun is cycling just a bit faster, and you might even get a little bit better gas efficiency, which is super nice with these tiny 1911 magazines. As always, if you have any questions, comment below and I will most likely respond. Now, if this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe as a sacrifice to the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you next week in the next video. Bye.